Today we're going to do this glam eye look and lip color. I am loving it. These are both newer products, the eyes and the lips. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how to get this bomb ass neutral look, keep on watching. Okay. It's been like a hot day since I haven't used this palette. I really love this palette, so that's what we're going to use today. I'm going to do something more neutral, but I want to have a really nice pop-in eyelid, so we're going to focus on that today, and I'm going to use more of the brown shades. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm starting out with this color right up here. I'm just going to put that right in my crease. I'm going to put that color right up here, just blend that back and forth. I'm just going to push it in first, and then eventually I will blend it out. I don't know if any of you guys experienced this before, but if you have, please help me out. I started getting chicken skin on my chest, like right up here. There's a proper name for it, but I can't remember it right now. If any of you guys have ever had that happen, like randomly, let me know like what you think caused it, because I really don't know what caused mine. We have two browns. They look a lot lighter in the pan than in real life. Like in real life, they look really dark. Okay, so this one is more cool, one is more neutral. I'm gonna use this one down here. I'm gonna put that right in the crease, and then we're gonna blend it out later. I'm gonna use a Sigma E25 brush and then blend that out. I'm gonna use a Sigma brush and just pat that in some more. I want it to be darker. I'm gonna blend it in very lightly so I don't lose too much color. Alright, so I kind of want to use this beautiful shade right here. So pretty. This one is also so pretty. Oh my gosh, all of these are so nice, but I also want to use this. I'm gonna start with this color, and I'm gonna add some of this one over. So I'm gonna start applying that down here. Color. I'm gonna use some of the lighter one because it's not showing up how I envisioned it. So I'm gonna add some of the lighter one on top of it to just make it pop more. I think I'm gonna just put this all over my lid. I'm taking some of the glittery color and I'm gonna add that also towards the outer section. But also I'm gonna add it in here. I'm gonna bring it back towards the center. Like this. So we're just gonna press that in and put it on the eyelid for some pop. This looks really good. This glitter looks really good. I feel like this look needs a wing liner, so I'm gonna use the Balm Cosmetics liquid liner and just make a little wing. So today I'm wearing Bad B lashes in Saucy, so I'm going to pop these on. So I threw on my face makeup and I'm going to go ahead and finish off my under eye area and that sort of thing. If you want to see this face routine, it's going to be my super full coverage, sweat proof summertime makeup routine. I'm only going to add the brown shade to my lower lash line, and then I'm going to use a black eyeliner. So taking that brown right here, I'm going to use Pat McGrath's black pencil called Extreme Black to line my lash line. Alright, so I'm going into the brown one more time to just blend everything together. So I'm going to use this color in my inner corner. For my lashes, I'm going to use this MAC mascara to just add some lashes. I'm going to line my lips with this Laura Mercier pencil in Rock. For lipstick, I'm going to use ColourPop's Appy, which is like a nude color. And then for my gloss, I just got a new gloss from MAC. Well, I got two. And this is in the color... So this is in the color Dangerous Curves. And it's a nude color. I'm excited to try this out. It looks so pretty. So this is what it looks like. I actually got two shades. I got this shade here. And then I got another shade. I'm going to show you guys. Alright, so the other shade is called Bow. And it has a little bit of a sparkle to it. It has a little bit of a sheen to it. It's lighter. I think I'm going to use Bow. It looks so pretty. So I'm going to use Bow from MAC. It's a lip gloss. Ooh, this color is so gorgeous. So I took my braids out so you guys can see the whole look, you know, hair snatched, face snatched, everything snatched. I love this eye makeup, super glam and neutral. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet already subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!